How to create a secure boot compliance policy in Microsoft Intune. Securing organizational devices is a top priority in today's IT environment. One critical security feature is Secure Boot, which ensures devices boot only with trusted firmware, drivers, and the operating system. By configuring a Secure Boot compliance policy in Microsoft Intune, organizations can ensure that enrolled Windows devices meet this security standard. What is Secure Boot? Secure Boot is a security feature built into modern PCs with UEFI firmware. It ensures only trusted software is loaded during the boot process. Protection against rootkits and bootkits. Prevention of unauthorized software from running at startup. Steps to create a Secure Boot compliance policy in Intune. 1. Access the Intune Admin Center. Navigate to Microsoft Intune Admin Center. Sign in with your administrative credentials. 2. Create a new compliance policy. In the left-hand menu, select Devices. Go to Compliance Policies and click plus Create Policy. Choose Windows 10 and later as the platform and click Create. 3. Configure device health settings. Enter a name, e.g., Secure Boot Compliance Policy, and an optional description. Under Device Health, set Require Secure Boot to be enabled on the device to require. 4. Set actions for non-compliance. Define what happens if a device is non-compliant. Notify users. Restrict access to corporate resources. Mark devices for follow-up. 5. Assign the policy to device groups. Assign the policy to relevant user or device groups. Click Create to deploy the policy. Benefits of Secure Boot compliance policies. Enhanced security prevents untrusted software from running during startup. Compliance monitoring helps ensure all devices meet your organization's security standards. Centralized management easily monitor and enforce compliance using Intune. Considerations for Secure Boot. Hardware compatibility. Ensure devices support Secure Boot and have it enabled in their BIOS/UEFI. TPM requirements. Devices with TPM 2.0 provide accurate compliance reporting. Restart needed. Devices may require a reboot for Secure Boot to take effect and report compliance. Monitoring and remediation. After deploying the policy, regularly monitor compliance in the Intune Admin Center. Identify and remediate non-compliant devices through user notifications or device reconfiguration. Conclusion. A Secure Boot compliance policy in Intune strengthens your organization's security posture by ensuring devices boot securely. It's an essential step for any IT team managing Windows devices in a modern workplace. By configuring Secure Boot with Intune, you're taking a proactive approach to protecting your organization's endpoints against potential threats at the most critical phase, startup.